Hey everyone, this is Moti. Welcome to QA automation classes. And in the last two sessions, we have seen how to create the page classes. We have created sign up or login page. Then we have created user login. Then we have enter username, enter password, and click on login, verify the page title. And in the user home page, we have created like a verify page title. And then we have clicked on the logout link, right? So these two methods were there in the user homepage, right? So now we're going to start with the test class, right? So let's see. So we're going to log into the application, click on the sign in, and then enter username and password and click on the login button. And then we will go to the user home page, and the user home page we have to verify the page title and click on the logout title. So let's go and design the title test case. So copy this one and let's create a new test. Okay, so tc02 and user login, just mention as user login. So this is my second test case that I'm going to create. So user login, so let's say what are the changes we need to say. It will also extend our base step. We'll have the home page, sign up or login page. Even we need the reference for the user home page, right? So let's say user home page and give the object reference as user home page. Okay, and we'll instantiate this user home page. Okay, and start report we have to do. Okay, same, this is for the extend report, and private logger log, we need the log.info also, right? So now let's go to the open login page, right? So correct. So in the open login page we need to update this one. This is the user login, right? So we are the test case is for the logging in of the user. So let's say user login, and in the user login, what the changes we need to do, right? So in the user login we have the home page, and we have the sign in login page, and anyhow log we are going to use log.info, and we need the user homepage also needs to be initialized, right? So we need to create the object of user homepage class. So user homepage equals to new user homepage, and we need to pass the driver. Okay, so yeah, and then method name we are getting, that is remain same, and extent dot create test. Okay, that is fine. So this test dot log status dot info, this is for the reporting in the extend report, right? So let's update this create test method name. So instead of the sign in, so it is not sign in now, this is the user login, right? So yeah. So sign in and verify page title, and the second one is the starting the user login page and verify the title run. So let's go with the smoke test, and test.log status.info is click on sign up or login link, and we have to verify the page title. After page title verification is done, we have to do the asset true. Okay, so yes, after sign up or login page we have to enter the here, and we are going to get the details. We have to perform some operation by entering the username, entering the password, and clicking on the user. So in order to do that, we have to call those methods, right? So we have to first read the username and password from our .properties file. So if you see, let's go to the user home properties and copy that reading the data from the properties file, right? And go to the tc02, and here we can put it, right? So now properties equals to new properties. Let's define the properties first. So properties private, properties prop, right? Or properties prop, default access modifier, right? That is also fine. So now properties prop, and those errors are gone. So prop equals to new properties, then prop dot load. So now this is the current class name. This is not sign up login page. Now it is test case, right? This is 02 and user login. So copy that one, test case name, and just put it over here, right, in the after load. Yes, and that get class loader, and everything remains same, right? So now we have to handle this exception try catch. We can go with the try catch. Okay, so surround with try catch. Okay, cool. And now we have to start reading our username and as well as our password. Okay, those two things we need to read. So how to read this username and password? So let's say username, right? So username and equals to uh, right. So okay, so now we'll say username equals to prop dot get property. Let's go to the properties file and get the username, right? So let's put it as the username. Okay, so let's put that as the username. Okay, so these are the actual credentials that will work. So put that as the username, and similarly for the password, you can go and do the password here. Let's say password. equals to prop dot get property, and here get the password. So, okay, so let's say password. So this username and password we need to define. Okay, so I'll just show you here how you are defining your expected page title, right? Similarly, you need to define your username and password. So let's go here, say, so let's say username, and another one is the password. Okay, so now the errors are gone now. So we got the username and password from the properties file. And after getting the username and password, what we're going to do, right? So the main thing is now we'll continue with our flow, right? So what exactly our flow? So after getting the username and password, we have to call enter username method, we have to call enter password method, and then we have to hit the login button, right? So okay, so page title verification is done up to here, right? And sign up login page, just mention here sign up login page title is mismatching. Okay, so now let's go to sign up or login page object. Where is that sign up or login page object? Okay, so here let's go dot, right? uh, Enter username, right? So similarly dot enter password, and one more will be click on the login button, dot click login button. Okay, so username, we have to pass the username, right? So let's see, password, we have to pass the password, and then click on the login button. So but we can have our log.info, right? Otherwise in log these things will not come up, right? So you can say log.info. So string message, I will say enter username, enter valid username. Instead of valid, just say username, and username, enter username, go here, enter username. Okay, so now we'll come back there, tc02, and here enter password. Here also you can say log.info. This log.info will print to your log file, right? It is not to the your HTML report. Okay, so if you want your HTML report, we need to again put that HTML report related log also, test.log. Okay, so log.info, enter username, and enter password, right? Enter password. So and one more here, click on the login button, click login button. Okay, click login button. So done. And if you want to put test.info, you can put that one. Okay, let's put that one also in the report. So right, so enter username, same thing. We'll do one thing, let me copy paste first, then we can update it. So first is entering the username, and then entering the password, and then clicking on the login button. Okay, so now if you see enter username, just update this one to enter username, and so copy. Okay, so enter username and then enter password, and last one is click login button. Okay, so now this is done. I think it should work now. Okay, and end report extend dot plus. Okay, so looks good. So let's run it and see. tc02, so right click, run. Let's see, it's building. Okay, so this is done. In the next session, we'll look into the data provider with the TestNG data provider annotation, how exactly we can pass the data to the data provider. We'll have the our Excel utilities, and this valid username and password, valid username, invalid password, this kind of combination we'll try few of the combinations like that, and we'll try to do that. Okay, cool. So now open the browser, navigate to website, maximized, enter the username password, navigated to the user homepage, and it clicked on the logout also, right? So now logging it out. Seems website is a bit slow, but yeah, let's see. Okay, so where exactly it is filling now? Timeout. Okay, so website was slow, but if you see, click on the login button. It is not login button, that is logout button. Okay, here it is. Enter username, enter password. Click on the login button. Okay. Okay, so after clicking on the login button, we again need to here is the timeout exception is coming, right? So username entered, password entered, and login button. Okay, so I can keep start giving the thread or slip. So, but yeah, so let's continue with the flow. Okay. So after clicking on the sign up or login page, timeout is right. So we can give one thing, we can give some thread or slip timeout error happened actually, and then after that, after we have to verify, right? So let's go to the user homepage again. Or is the user homepage? Okay. So user homepage. Let's go to user homepage dot verify user homepage title, right? And then again user homepage dot click logout link. Okay, so this is the flow. Okay, and log.info and test.log we need to put here also. So here and here. So let's say click on the okay login button, and now we have to say verify homepage title. Say verify homepage title, and here also you can say verify homepage title, one for the report and one for the log, and click on log out button. Log out, it's not button, it's a link. Okay, click on log out button link, log out link. Okay, so right, so in order to show you, you can go ahead and give that explicit weight, different type of weights you can use, but for time being I will just use thread.slip. Let's say uh, username, password, enter username and password. So after each operation, like I'll just give thread.slip as 2000 milliseconds. Let's see. So enter username, thread.slip, say 2000. Okay, so I will throw exception. Yeah, hard catch clauses. Okay, that should be okay. So now thread.slip here, and again after entering the password, you can give thread.slip. Click on sign in button, give thread.slip, and home page title, give thread.slip, logout link. Okay, fine. So now I can rerun it. Let's see what happens. Clicked on login link. So yeah, here actually the page is very slow and it is not able to click. But let's see. Let's wait and see. Fine. So same it is filling. So I made few changes here. If you see verifying the page title, so we have to call that within the asset method, right? So we said asset dot asset true user homepage dot verify user homepage title, and the error we are seeing for that one, I have just updated my browser to the latest version. If you see, so up to date, just now I have updated the Google Chrome version, latest version, and apart from that, I let's see user homepage and logout link. Okay, so the new XPath for the logout link I have updated as this one. Okay, a at the rate href equals to logout. This is the change I made, and sign up or login page, there has been absolute no change. Whatever was there, still there. Okay, and let's go ahead and rerun it one more time and see what is happening. So PC02 user login. Okay, started browser, navigated to your website, clicked on sign up or login, Q automation classes. Okay, okay, now it has to click on the logout link. Okay, because of the wait, it has to wait for some time. We have given thread.sleep, right? So it is waiting, and it clicked on logout link, and it closed. See, now it is successful, right? So if you see, let's go through this flow, and enter username, enter password, successfully clicked on the login button, and verify home page title. Expected page title is this one, automation exercise, and actual page title is matching with the expected page title value, and then click logout link, clicked on the logout link. Okay, so this is how exactly the entire flow happened, right? And we are able to enter the valid username and password, and we were able to log in, and then we clicked on the logout button also, right? The flow is working fine, and yeah, in the next session we'll be seeing how to implement the data provider. Okay, that's all to this session, guys. Okay. So if you guys are really enjoying these sessions, I would request you to subscribe to my channel, and please share this with your friends and colleagues. Okay, and if you have any questions, put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye bye.